Okay, good evening to you all. Today is 9th September 2025, which is our day 4 of this website development webinar for Nigerian youth. Like I said, this webinar will last for about 10 days, and today is our day 4. Like always, we start by showing our outlines. That is what we are to cover for the day. So we are going to have a recap on day 3, that is yesterday. And then today we will continue with the developing of a company website. And after that, we'll have question and answer, and then we have conclusion. We call it a day. So yesterday, if you can recall, we revisit the hosting plan, and also uh, I show you what to go for and the reason why we can't get the email accounts on the plan we are using. And after that, we continue with the installation of content management system, which I told you we are choosing WordPress for that. After that, I'll take you through all the dashboard of the WordPress and all the menus that are there, including the home, the appearance, the plugins, the pages, the post, and everything. After I already show you how to make the installation, we just move to install our first theme, which is Astra. And I told you it has more than 300 plus free and paid templates under it. So after that, we started to, create a template, and we got an error issue, which of course is something that has to do with the memory limit. And I go back to show you how to increase the memory limit of the hosting plan or of the website you are installing. That is the domain name and the website we are working with. So we did the increase of other things, the memory limits, and also, and different things we all did that. So when we come back, still the issue is still keep persisting and the rest, and we have nothing to do, but to uh postpone the class and said maybe tomorrow I'll troubleshoot the issue. And after that, I will get back to you. Then we continue from there. I believe this is all what we have done so far in, a very concise way and in summary yesterday. So to tell you about this issue that we encountered yesterday during the installation, I didn't do anything apart from what we have done. Immediately after the class, and I refreshed the page and I retry, everything works perfectly and we have the live website. But don't worry, I understand one thing that caused that problem. The issue is when we make the increasing of the memory size, memory limit, and everything, we did that increase. I show you how to do that. When we did that, it didn't take effects immediately. So that's the reason why we keep trying and it keeps showing us the arrow. So when we are done with the class, I just go back and come back again. Everything works perfectly. It continues. And don't worry, what I'm going to do now is um I think I'm deleting because I wanted to see what will happen after the installation. So today what we are going to do is I'm showing you how to delete the installed content management system. So take note of this, even though it's part of all what we keep learning, because we'll keep using the same domain name, we'll just delete what we have built and build another one on it. So what we are going to do today, I'm going to show you how to remove the installed uh, CMS. We removed it, then we installed it again, and then we follow the same procedure of yesterday to install one of the starter templates that we have available on the Astra theme. So this will give you another, refresher review on what we have done yesterday and how you can also do it. And after the installation, then we continue with the development of the company website. Okay. So I'm sorry we are not yet on question and answer. So I'm stopping the sharing of my screen. So those of you that are here with me, you cannot see that. So where is our um yeah, here it is. So sorry, I'm just removing all this. So sorry, I'm resharing back the screen for you. So here it is. So I believe you can all see my screen. So let me click on C panel again. So we are going back to C panel. But to show you, this is the I didn't switch up the this thing, the browser. So you see, this is the website that I've installed yesterday. So everyone, all of you, you can try the website hamadwebsitewebinar.com.ng. You're all going to see this very good looking website. And yesterday, after we create that email, there is one person that sent us email, which of course I saw his email. That support at Ahmad. I saw Abdul Raqib. Abdul Raqib Ibrahim. So he just sent email. Thank you for your time. Let's see. It's like, yeah, I told you to send a test for us to see the message. So his message arrived at around 9:21. So he sent the message even while we are having the class here. So the message comes through. So thank you, Abdul Raqib, and we receive your message on our official email. So now, like I said, we are going to remove this website. We are removing everything. We'll remove it and then we'll install it together. Then we continue from where we stopped yesterday. So it's just the same procedure. I just told you what happened yesterday. After the memory limit increase, which we have done from 128 MB, we increase it to 512 MB. So it didn't take effect immediately. So when you do the increase, please just come back. At least you just back, then you continue from where you stop. And there is something before I remove this. Let me show you something before I remove it. When you increase the memory limit, and I even advise you before you even install the content management system, before you do the installation, try to increase the limit. So this that I'm going to show you is not, you don't even need it, but try to install the limit, to increase the limit before you even do the installation. But after that limit installation, maybe when you come back, you will ask yourself, why are you going to see that starter template? Please, if you come under this appearance, you are going to see this starter template. This is where the templates are. Then even when you come back, you refresh, you go back to starter template and you select the template that you want, you install the template. So you can all do that. So I say, let me just show you before we remove this, since we are going to do it again. So let's do this. So what we are going to do next is, if you want to remove, because I say I will show you how to remove, then we install again. Go back to this software clause again. Go back to it. I'm sorry. So when you go back to it, you are going to see this installation one. Before, we don't have this installation one. Please, can you hear me? Can you hear me, please? I don't know if you can hear me. Please, can you hear me? Okay, so we don't have this installation before. So just click on these installations. This is where you are going to see all what you have installed, all the CMS you have installed. So this is the one we installed yesterday at around 10:35 p.m. So what we are going to do is to delete it. So you can click this. You can click on this bin, this icon, then it will bring you down to this. So we are removing the installation. So when you click on this remove, then you click on OK. Then now we remove everything that we have installed. Now we don't have that. So you see, we remove it. The installation was removed successfully. So if we come back and we refresh our page, we are going to see blank, forbidden, because you don't have permission to access this page. Now, if you are even trying to do this, it will show 404. If I click on this, it will show everything. Now we remove everything. So let me delete all these tabs since we don't have anything. The next thing is for you to go back to WordPress management. So when you click back on it, it's going to show you this, because that's where we are when we click on installation. So now we'll click on install. just like the way we did yesterday. Click on install. When you click on install, then you make all the necessary correction that you want to do. And I'll show you the first thing you need to do is to remove this WP. Remove WP, and under admin, if you like, you change the name of the admin. If you don't want, you leave it. For the password, I will hide it. Then I will write my password. Then I will create the password like this. And for all other things, I ask you not to touch anything. So all you need to do is to scroll down and click on install. So now we are installing, reinstalling, we install it and we are installing it again. So we are installing it back again so that we go back, we install the theme, and we need to make all the, that what do we call it? All the settings that we have made yesterday, we need to do that. So first of all, I can click on this to take us to admin. Even if it didn't take us, I can go and put the URL or the domain name /wp-admin, which I told you yesterday how to do that. So, but I can click the admin URL from here, administrative URL. I will click it from here, then it will redirect us to our what? To our dashboard. If you want to view the website, you can click here because we did not install anything. So the website definitely is going to be empty and it will only show that my blog and sample page for us. So here we are, you see we have a sample page and we also have my blog. So when it redirects you to this assistant, I told you, you need to tell them that we don't need any assistant. We want to build everything by ourselves. So just wait for it to finish loading. And after that, we click on that, then we continue. Okay, so here we are. All you need is to click on no, I don't want to try any setup process. Just click on it so that it will take us directly to our admin dashboard. So this is the admin dashboard. As you know, yesterday the settings we have made is under general. So all we need to do is to create, we change the name of this. So we call it Hamad. Okay, this is what we put here. So I forgot what we put here yesterday. Okay, webinar practical website. I saw it. So for the icon, we upload icon. So I click on select. So I just hover where icon of Hamad Technologies is. So I just put this logo as the icon of the company so that it's going to be here. So is the site icon of the company. So I just click on crop, just click on this, and then we upload the image. So the next thing is for us to add. So for now, since yesterday we already add this SS. So you see the website comes with its own S now, HTTPS. So we don't need to add any HTTPS again. So it's just here like this. I'm not going to touch anything. Just leave it like this. It's just issue of time. I told you if you like, you can put +1 if you like and just click on save. So now we are done with all the yesterday setting that we have done. So the next thing we are going to move is to move under appearance. So under appearance, we need to click on theme. So I told you the theme we are going to install is Astra. So you need to click on add theme. When you click on add theme is if you have a theme already, you want to upload the files, you click on upload and you choose the file. We are not uploading anything. We are downloading. So you can scroll down, you are going to see this Astra, or you can write the name here under search and just write Astra. So when you write Astra, it's going to bring out the theme with the name Astra for you. This is the theme. Just click on install. After clicking on install, you just give it some time to finish installation. So after it's finished installation, you are to click on activate. So let's wait for it to finish installing. So we are waiting for it to finish installation and it's done. So after that, you are going to see activate. Then we are going to activate the theme. So click on activate, then we will activate the theme. So now we click on the theme and we activated it. The next thing is for us to click on get started with starter template. So click on get started with starter template and wait for it to finish activating also. So now it's activating. Please, can you check those that are on YouTube if they are listening to us or they are with us? Our YouTube people, because they are always enjoying themselves. I don't know what's going on there. Those that are on YouTube, are you with us? So we are activating these starter templates. So it's activating and it's redirecting us to there. So are you with all those on YouTube? And I believe you are with us, right? So here we are, and I told you yesterday you are not selecting this AI website builder. We are selecting this classic. So you click on build with template. So after clicking build with template, the page builder we are selecting is Elementor. So click on it and it's redirecting you to this page. So here it is. Just wait for it to sync all the templates in the library. And here we are. I told you yesterday what you are going to click under this business, just select agency. This under agency, you are going to see a lot of templates for company. So just scroll down, we scroll down and we select digital agents. So we select digital agency. So here it is. We click on this. This is what we are going to use. And I told you yesterday, don't touch anything here unless the client has his own logo, maybe his own color, preferred colors. Of course, we can change the colors. I'm not saying don't change the colors so that all the website of those that are in this webinar are the same. No, your website must be different because you are not doing this. You are not using the same files. You are not using the same type of company. You are not using the same images. Even if you use the same template, there is a way you can make yours to look somehow very, very unique. So what you need to is just click on continue. So when you click on continue here, I told you not to touch anything. Just click on continue again. And of course, it shows us this again, memory limit. Okay. So another thing now, fine. We are going to go back to that memory limit and check because since what do we call it? Since I installed another one, I removed that one, I installed another one. So definitely I need to go back and check. Okay, so here it is. So I believe all is okay. So I don't think it's there is any issue here. But let me click on save. Just for us to be on the safer side, let me click on save. Okay, let me go back to dashboard. I come back to this. I click on dashboard. So let me go back to dashboard and go back to the starter template again and check something. Now I click on save here. So let me go back and check something. So I told you under appearance. Okay, since we did not install anything, so we can click on this, get started with starter template. So it's taking us back to starter template again. I want to check something. So click on build with template. We select Elementor and we select agents. And then we select agents. So now I'll scroll down. Select this. And we click on continue. Or you can wait for it to finish, but it's just fine. And we click on continue again. So it still show this, and don't worry, just click on skip and build. And after that, click on I understand, then click on submit and build. So even if it show this with you here, don't worry, just continue what you are doing and wait for it to finish. So let's wait and see today if it is not going to show that error for us, because yesterday I told you immediately after the class everything was fine, and I just finished the installation. But let's hope today or tonight we are going to have it completely so that we continue from where we stopped yesterday. Okay, so let's wait for it. So someone was saying he installed WordPress on XAMPP and I start creating website. Yeah, that's fine for you. It's okay to do it on local hosting or local host is fine for you to zoom it to use XAMPP. You can use all of you can use whatever you want. But I'm showing you this and I wish you all the best in everything. Someone was asking why do we need Astra most in appearance? I didn't get your question. And if you are with us yesterday, I told you why we need it. And your question sounds somehow, even though it's not the time for answering question. So it's just because we are installing this, we are waiting for it to finish. So I will respond to some of your. Okay, so we are waiting for it. It's still at 9. Ah, I'm sorry, we have two groups. The other group, we did not share the link with them. Oh my God. It's now they are even calling us. I should, as, Inna lillahi. Oh boy. Seriously, I forgot to share it with them in the other group. So we are sorry, let's wait for it. It's at 13%. And I'm hoping and I'm praying today, tonight, uh, all will be well. So we are still on it. So let's just keep waiting for it to finish installing everything. So we are at 26% now. So wait for it. Let's wait for it. We are at 26%. So it's importing the pages, the menus, the posts, and everything is going to give you all the demo data that you want. All you need is to edit. So it's working. We are at 33. Still is importing all the media. The favorite icon is coming on the favicon, and also all other logos and media files are coming up. So the website is still coming up, coming up, coming up. So let's just go to our dashboard, admin dashboard. So I'm going to say Hamad website webinar slash, why am I using this? Slash WP dash, sorry, Hamad slash WP dash admin. So we go to our admin and I can go to the website also. Okay, we wait for it because when it is to ask us to go to the website. So we are at 90% now and all is well, all is fine. So let's hold on and wait for it. We are at 90%. So you see, yesterday the issue is you see what it shows when we have that issue of memory loss. And to me, I believe, let me tell you this. I'm not even thinking there is issue of that memory limit. I don't think because the website is not that big. 128 MB is very reasonable for the website. So it's just issue of maybe network. From what I'm thinking, I'm not saying it's because of that, but some of you should try without even increasing the memory limit and see if it works. Because I don't think it's because of that. I don't think that. So congratulations, your website is ready. It took 25 seconds to build it. Really, 25 seconds? These people are not calculating this well. So this is it. If you want to tweet this, you just click on this and tweet it on Twitter so that people will see your first website in your life. And of course, it's a milestone and it's something worth celebrating. But some of you here will not even consider it as an achievement or something to, be happy with. And of course, if you did not celebrate yourself, nobody will even celebrate you. So that's it. When I built my first website, I can't tell you how I feel. So thank God this is it. And let's view the website. I click on this, view your website. So this is it. It's going to show the complete website that we just imported, which now is our own website. Some of you, you can all use your mobile phones and go to Hamad website, webinar.com.ng and build this and go to this website. You are going to see this. And the reason why all you see, the reason why I'm just telling you, I'm just trying to teach you all this through this is because I know doing this for you is to make you well equipped and ready to go live. If you practice with your own money, that means you can practice with any client work and you can work the work for the client. That's how you're supposed to learn all this online so that as you are working, you can share it with people. I know about that XAM and local host installation. If I want, I will introduce you to that. Maybe for you to save money and to learn on you this and that. I even talk about this on my Facebook. A lot of people cannot spend kobo to learn anything. They are waiting for scholarship and sponsorship for free. So please just follow this. I know why I'm teaching you this online one. And there are lots of issues with that XAMPP one. And please don't even ask me when you encounter any issue. Please don't ask me because I didn't introduce you to it and I didn't teach you that. This is what I teach you and this is what the only thing I know. All what I'm showing. That's why you see when we encounter a problem, I will try to solve it for you and I will tell you all that. So all what you are going to say sometimes, I've been somewhere that you are maybe trying to tell me or trying to say sometimes. So I've been there. I know what it is. I know what you are going to encounter. But please stick to what we are doing here. And this is your first website. So you see, this is the website. Let's just go through the website. You see, all these now are your own. Use your mobile phone. Some of you have you just check. Let me know if you have go to the website using your mobile phones. You see, the website is going to be 100% mobile responsive. If you are using any mobile phone or you are using a tablet, any type of device that you are using, the website is going to be 100%, 100%, responsive. So, how many of you have, how many of you have done that? How many of you have checked it on your mobile phones? So you see, we all have this. If you check it, just say us, you did, you did, you did. Let's just hear from you. So all this you see, we have this home, about, services, contact. All these pages are ready. If you click on it, it will take you to the page. You are going to see the about of everything. You see, this is the about page. You scroll down. This is about the company, what the company is doing, and everything. You can go to services. And you are going to see all the services that the company rendered. You just go through the services and you see this. And after these services, you can go to contact. Even yesterday, I show you contact. There is a contact page. This contact page is a very good looking page that asks your contact, and people can message you, can send message to you. And this is why you need to create. Someone was asking me yesterday, do we really need to create official website when we are doing it? I advise you to do that. But you are even asking me that question. When you don't, if you did not connect this website under that general setting that I show you where to put email. If you did not put email, you good official email and working email, any message that people send on this website to you, you will not receive it. Let me tell you this. That's why I'm just teaching you all this. Stop asking why do you say you should do this, or why do you... Sometimes it just looks like if you don't want, please don't do it. But let me tell you, when you call me with your problem, or when you text your problem to us, we all share IDs with you. When you share your problem with us, the very moment we read your problem, we know what you miss. I will not respond to you. We really know what you miss. And we'll know sometimes it's a negligence, sometimes maybe it's oversight. We will all know that. So please try as much as you can to follow all this so that you will not miss other features and the rest. So you see all here, you need to put your email also here for people to see it, and this and that. All this is what we have developed. So far, what we have installed, this is what we have on this domain name. So now the next thing we are going to do is, since this we imported this demo data, we can just consider it as a demo data because it's something that is not ours. All the images are not ours. So what are we going to do now? Is for us now to learn how to remove these images that are not ours to use those that are ours. So all these Oyimbo images, we'll change them to our images. And let me advise you whenever you are creating a website. Please, when you are creating a website, make sure you use images that speaks to the website you are building. One, ask the owner of the website to provide images for you. His own image, their own images, company image, they must have done, or maybe a workshop or something like that. Everything, ask them for the files. Even though I'll talk about what you need to collect from client whenever you are building a website, that will be at the last day of this webinar, but I would advise you on all that. So make sure you use images that are, speaking to what you are doing. So we are going to start editing all this. All this, you see, this is not even English. It's just a gibberish or whatever. They just write something like that. So don't worry, we are changing everything to the best of what we can to make this website okay and to make this website very, very good looking website. Okay. And don't forget, you need a logo. Whenever you want to create this, you need a logo. So that's why sometimes there is no way you can fight with graphics designers. You need to work with graphic designers. But for me already, I know how to work my ways around because I learned a lot of, I'm a graphic designer before. So I know how to use all the software to resize the images, to create the images, to use the size I want, to do whatever I want. I know how to do that. But for you, if you don't suffer yourself. If I want to design a logo, I know how to design a logo and just use it for the client, and client might pay it. Or if he has his own logo, I'll collect the logo and I can change colors of the logo. All the colors, I can use any color that I want. For this color, as you can see, we need a white logo for it to it here. So I already have a Matt Technologies white logo, so I will use the logo here and we'll continue. So don't fight with graphic designers. They are your, what can I, they are your plugins. So please don't fight with them. They are your plugins. If you fight with them, you are on your own. There are many things graphic designer will help you to do. Don't fight with them. So you need graphic designer. And if you want to do it for yourself, please, then after this, you master this, then enroll yourself in any graphic designing class and start learning graphic design. So the best software you can learn is Photoshop. Photoshop will help you. Go with Photoshop, learn it well, and then you can continue so that you can be full stack developer. You can design, you can do whatever you want to do with what you are going to do. So now this is it. We are going to start the editing of the website. If you can recall, we use a page builder which is called Elementor. We use Elementor, we installed Elementor instead of block editor. So this is where you're going to see that Elementor here. And this is exactly where those that are using mobile phone are going to miss it because it will be very difficult for them to use Elementor with mobile phone. Elementor is not a mobile software. It's not mobile phone software. So that why it will help be very difficult for you. Even though, yeah, there are some few things you can do with your mobile phone. All these methods that we have done, the installation, the email, the buying domain, hosting, and everything, you can use your mobile phone. So those of you that keep asking me, how can we use it? Can we use mobile phone? Yeah. At this stage, you are done. At this stage, let me tell you this, you are done. You'll suffer. Even if you want to try it, you can, but you will suffer a lot. So what I advise you, even if you don't have a computer, when you reach this stage, you want to start the editing, please take yourself to any cafe, get 200, 300, 500, 1000, 2000. Go there, buy a time, and keep practicing what you have learned in this video. I advise you to do that. And also, if you learn for free and you still want to use somebody's laptop for free, it's fine. You can do that. Because Cafe, they have network. You pay them 500 for 1 hour. Stay there for 1 hour. It's enough for you to practice. If you exhausted your money, then you go back and get another money. You can do anything to make money and come back to do that. So you come here under this edit with Elementor. You're going to see it here. Click on it. Click on it. So now make sure you are on home because we want to start editing the home page. We are on home page. And one thing why I'm showing you to edit the home page is that when you complete editing the home page, all other pages will not suffer because we can be copying what we have done on home page and just paste it on other pages. And we are done with editing the website and everything is done. So even this website editing, there is copy and paste for it. For this, if you want to copy what we have edited here and paste it, there is a copy and paste for that. So start with the home page, finish everything because most of the blocks and sections that are on home page, they are there on other pages. So now, okay, when you are doing this and it show you this can't edit, enable save mode, please just hold on, don't touch anything and wait for it. It's issue of network sometimes. Or you can refresh. It used to do that. You can refresh because editing in save mode, it there are some features that you will not enjoy it when you are doing that. So I'm refreshing it again and I'm refreshing it again. So refresh it because you need a very strong network for you to come. Now it just put everything. So okay, I just refresh. So I shouldn't have clicked on the refresh. It will have bring this thing for me because it's loading. So you can wait, give it some time so that it finish loading everything for you. But don't click on that save mode because save mode has some features that the normal mode doesn't uh it doesn't have some features that normal mode has. So don't click on that enable save mode. Just wait for it to finish loading. As you see here, don't touch anything. So I made mistake of refreshing it. So you hold on. So we are at 40, 940 already. I don't want us to today to take it much more time. We are stopping by we are stopping by 9, so we have 20 minutes to go. I have other things to do. I have to go out. Yeah. So this is what we have here. So let's scroll down and I'll show you this. You see, This is what we have when we click on Elementor. So you see we have this session, and this is how this session looks like. The elements, you see we have widgets, and we also have global. So for the widgets, we have layouts, we have basics. If you scroll down, you see there are many things. We have pro. All these are pro. This Elementor also there is pro. Elementor Pro. So Elementor Pro has a lot of features that you can only enjoy them when you are using Elementor Pro. So Elementor Pro has a lot of features, but there are some general ones and some other things that you can all use. So some things for now, I'm not going to show you how to start using some things, maybe to teach you how to develop the website from the scratch, to use all these elemental elements to do it. We are not doing that at this level. We are not. What we are going to do is for us to start editing the content of this website. We want to edit them, save them, and then our website will be ready. So first of all, you see there are many things here. When you click on this here, this is the container. You see when you see this, this is a container. Whenever you see this plus and this six dot and this star, this is a container. And a container contain a lot of things under it. It contain number one, this. This is a different or separate container inside container. It's a session on its own. This is a session. This is a session. This also is a session. This is a session. This is a bottom. All these are under this one container. And we have another container. You see, this is another container. This is what it contains, all this. You scroll down, this is another container. Three. If you come down here, this is another one. You see, this is another container. Four. So let's see again. This is another container. So this is for all the other that container on top. So this is this. So this is how these containers are. And anything you delete in this container, because now you see in this container, there are many things in it. You see, there is this, all this section under it. Now, if I click on this cross, you see, I deleted the container. Please, I deleted it, but I'll click on Control Z. You see, when you click on Control Z, then the container will be back. That is, you can undo it. So you remove it, you undo it. So whenever you make a mistake of doing that, please just click on undo, then you bring it back. So if you delete it here, you delete it entirely. You delete the entire container. But if you want to delete a session, what you are going to do is to click on it. Now you can right click on this. You see, I right click inside it. You can right click inside it, or before you click on it, just right click. As you hover over it, just right click, or you can click like this. For example, you can click here. You can click here if you want to remove the entire session, because there are two different blocks in the session, but I want to delete only this one. So I can right click on it, then I will click on delete. Okay, sorry, this thing pop up. Okay, let me take this up. So you see there is a delete. Just click on delete, you remove it. So I'll Control Z. I want it to come back. So this is how you just make that deleting, bringing it back, deleting and bringing it back. You want to remove this image, you can right click on the image and you click on delete and the image will be gone. So now if I click here, I delete one. But if I want to click the section of the image, I will click here, this here, then I will delete. Then I'll right click and also delete. But now I'm bringing back the image because I don't want to delete it. So let me click on Control Z and the image is back. So don't worry about all the editings. We are coming to that. I'm just teaching you step by step on how this works. So the next thing I told you, this section, I told you this entire container this is where it is. So if you want to edit the entire container, you click this sys dot that we have. You click on it. When you click on this sys dot, you are going to see a lot of things that you can do. You see edit container. You can do a lot under this container. You can do a lot that is under here. We have the layout where you can change the layout and everything. You see, we can change the layout under this. Sorry, I'm not using mouse, so that's why it's showing this to me. I'm sorry. We can have style. So under style also, when you click on style, there are many things you can do on style, including the background image of the container. You see it here. You can change it. If you come to advanced, there are many things you can use under this advanced. You can edit the margin. You can edit the padding. You can edit a lot, the alignment and everything. You all know what margin is and what padding is. Those of you that maybe learn CSS, you know what padding means and what margin means. Margin has to do with the size outside the box, while padding used has to do with the size inside the box. That is the border size. I'm talking about border size. The margin has to do with the space. Has to do with the space outside the border side, after the outside the border line, while the padding has to do with the space inside the border, line. So between the border lines and whatever is inside the box. So that's what it's all about. So this one has to do with the inside. This one has to do with the what? With the outside. So that's what the margin and padding means. So some of you, I know you already know what this means. So you can all change that when you click on this, you click on this, you can do that. But if you want to edit anything within the session, all you need is you see this pencil, click on it, then you can edit heading, because this is a heading that was put in. So you see, if you click on this here, you can edit this one also. You click here, you can edit this one. If you click this here, you can also edit this button. You see, it shows all what you can edit. We also have the content, we have the style, we also have the advanced. This is how you go across all the website to do the editing. Anything you want to edit, just click the pencil, then it will show whatever you want to edit. I will come back to talk about this icon, because this is a card that was put in. So there is icon for it, there is call to action for it, and there are many things that you can just talk to when you are doing that. So you see, you can scroll down also for the images. If you want to edit it, click on this pencil. You see there is this image. You can edit the image. You can do all what you want and continue from there. So all this is how you go one after the other to finish the editing from the start till the end. But don't worry, I'm taking you through all how we are going to do that together, and you are all going to learn that. So the first thing we are going to do, okay. The other thing that I'll show you is, if you want to add another maybe container, you click on this plus sign. You see, when I click plus sign, I created new container and I can add it now. So I don't want it, I delete it. If I want to put another container between this and this, I want to put something. Click on this plus, then you can put whatever you want. Maybe I want to put something, so I can go back to this. Okay. Okay, I want it. Sorry, I just click on the team builder. I don't know, because it's something new. Sorry, sorry, sorry. No, we don't want to come here. Leave. I'm sorry. Let me click on this. So, okay, these are all the pages that we have already. So you see, when I click on this, when I click on this, I want to put the widget. So let me just click on, no, not site setting, please. I don't want us to go out of this. Hold on. I want them to bring us back to the elements. Sorry. Yeah, I want it to bring us back to the element, please. Okay, what it is? Now it's not showing anything. Let me just click on it. Just hold on. I wanted to add something for you from that, the first elements that we have. And here it is. I just want to add something to show you one thing before we continue. I'm sorry, just the network. Okay. So here, like I said, if you click here, you want to add something. So based on all these elements that you have, okay, sorry, let me add it. Okay, why is it misbehaving? Okay, under plus, you click on add. Okay, what is wrong now? My system is, oh, it's tired. Okay, now we add this. Maybe we want to add a header, so you can drag here. From here, you can drag it and drop it here, and that's what will give you, or what will allow you to create a header here. So I just put header here. I can write whatever I want, but don't worry, I don't want this. I just want to show you, you can drag and drop all this. That's how this website was built, and that's how we are going to edit it. So I'm just sorry, I'm just trying to show you that. Another thing that also I would tell you before we start the editing, we can have a structure here. This structure contains all the containers that we have on the website. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. There are seven containers. If you click here, you can see all the containers that are inside the container. You click here, you can see all what is inside it. You see all these that are here under this post container are here. You see we have the heading. If you click on it, it will give you this heading. If you click on this, it will give you the second heading. If you click on text editor, it will give you this text. If you click on booking button, it will give you this button. So if you want to navigate through the website like this, you can do that, or you can use the pencil that I show you already to make the editing. So that's how you do it across all the website. So the first thing we are going to start editing, like I said, let's edit the container first. Let's edit the container. That is for us to look at things related to this container. So now, please don't touch anything on height and this. If you like, touch something, but I'm not touching anything. The only thing I will touch here is to change this image. We don't need this image. I want to put another image. So click on choose. Under media library, there are many images which the website was imported with, and we are going to upload our own images because we are not using their images. So now, if you have many images that you want to use, you can go ahead and use many images. You upload them at once so that you just keep selecting and using them. But now I don't have, I already have a folder of most of our images, training images. So I'm going there to use any image that falls under it. I'll just use any random image, and this image are our own image. Please use images that you own their copyright. I highly recommend this. Don't go and use people's images on your website. Someone come and sue you, or someone come and do something to you or something like that. So I already uploaded the image and I put the image. So wait, hold on it. You see, this is how the image looks like now. This is how the website looks like. You see, we have a very good looking background image down on our website. So this is it. So this is what we have done so far. So for the header, let's wait for them to come back. So now we are done with image, and that's the only thing we are going to touch under this. Let me go back. There are other things that you can do, but I'm sorry. There are things that I want to show you how to do that so that someone will just go and start making things that are not even necessary. There are other things you can do. You can change the overlay color. You can do anything. But please, I just want you not to go and do different things on this. Just don't touch some things that I hear. Please don't. Just allow it to be. And yeah, I don't want to touch anything for now. Please, you just edit this is fine. But if you want to explore further, wait until you learn this fully. Then you started doing your own whatever you want to do. So now we click on this. For us to change this text, we click on it. So maybe we want to do something. We want to create a website related to this website webinar. Maybe that's or maybe related to the Hamad Technologies company. So we can do anything like that. So pastors are most lightweight WP company. So what are we going to write here? Please, some of you can help us with the text, and just we keep doing it together. We finish. So what are we going to put here? Just give us something that looks similar to this text. Then we continue from there. Just give us something. Give us something. What are we going to write here? Maybe as header. Just something very good English, and we can continue. Please do past. We have 5 minutes to stop, because after that 5 minutes we will stop. Please continue. Give us something. Give us a text. I don't have anything. I didn't prepare anything. Youth mentorship webinar. So thank you. Let's just put youth mentorship webinar. But now we are talking about company, not only a specific webinar. We're talking about an entire company website, the evolving tech era. Okay, so let's put, okay, someone put something. I think I love the evolve. Okay, sorry, I'm using caps lock. The evolving tech era. So what does this has to do with the company? Maybe this has to do with the evolving tech era. The evolving tech era, what? Is maybe the evolving tech company or something like that. It's fine. Since we are just, doing this, we are deleting this by tomorrow. So it's fine. So yeah, now here we have, we just put this, the evolving tech era. Let's continue. So what are we going to put here? Create amazing business website. What are we going to put here? Look at someone, three brothers leather company. I'm not asking you to give us the name of of your company. Please stop doing this. Let's be serious for some minutes. We have 5 minutes to go. So let us all be serious in this even 3 minutes to go. Please give us something. So that I want us to edit everything on this website and give us something that we can put here. Give us something that we can put on this edit, on this lorem ipsum that they just put. Give us something. Just copy and paste. I will just copy and paste whatever you put there. Yeah, we have a lot of things to continue with. Oh, I want us to finish this tonight, so that tomorrow when we come, we'll start the NGO website together. So I want us to finish this company right now. Okay, so please give us something. Give us something. Your home of great mechanical service. Please, this is a tech company, not mechanic. When you purchase your own with your own money, put that mechanical service. But you can't just come and put mechanical service on our company. This is for our mad technologies. Okay, please give us English. Give us something. Someone say our services is second to none. Your home of great mechanic. Okay. Ha. Why are you not? You are not helping the matter. You are just trying to. Ha. I could have even. Who is this Abdul Jalal? I told you stop giving us name of your company, and you are just giving no, something as our company. Please stop that now. Please give us something to put. We are all stuck in one place. We need to move. We are changing this text to something. Okay, you want to become some site developers. You don't know how to create all these text. Let me tell you, your client will not give you this text. You are the one to come up with all this and write it for the client and make the client wow. Someone is even giving us diamond companies. Please, I didn't ask you to give us the name of any company. Please stop. Hamad website, webinar, learn, guru, and connect. So, empowering Nigerian youth with web skills. Yeah, thank you for this. This using ISA. Yeah, I love this one. Innovating the picture through technology and creativity. So let me put it bold here. Thank you. So let's go to the long English, please. Innovative. Okay, let me copy it and paste. Please, let's move. Thank you for this. This is what I want. Please, let's have at least, let's be serious. I told you this 5 minutes. Let us be serious. Yeah, someone put a text. So let me just paste this innovating the future through technology. This is okay. Or through IT it's okay through technology. It's fine. I'm at technology. Okay, let me just copy from an innovative. Please just let's be very serious and finish this. an innovative, an innovative solutions provider, an innovative sol solutions provider to driven. It's fine. Now we are moving. Okay, I said some people should stop sending names of the companies. This Abdul Kadir and now is sending Hamsan e-commerce like that. You see, this is one of the nonchalant attitude of many people. I even say you should stop doing that, and you are just dropping your name of the company. Haba. Feature ready technology delivered today. So let's change this evolving to that. I love this because it sounds very straight and complete sentence. Thank you, Abdullah and Musa, and thanks for those that contribute. So let's continue. Let's go to book meeting. So this book meeting, if you want to change it, just click on it. You want to change the name, this is where you change the name on it. Maybe you want to send maybe book a meeting. Book a meeting is it sound very good. Book a meeting. I love this thing. Or book a call. So maybe you can edit it to make a book a call. But book a meeting is okay because nobody is booking a call. So book a meeting. I think book a meeting is fine. But if you want to change this to anything, maybe our services or contact us, but book a meeting sounds more professional. So I'm not changing it. But I show you how to edit it. Just for me to show you how to edit it is fine. So now you can put whatever you want to put. So there is some questions here. Okay. Now, after you put this book per meeting, so then we have okay, so hold on. No, not here. Let's come under style. So I just want to see if there are things that you need to okay. After style, no. Don't touch anything on style. We don't need. Okay, on style, yeah. You can put it at the center on style. You see under position, you can click here at the center. You see you can make it at the center, right hand side, all this. Please just leave it at the right hand side. Please leave it at the right hand side. The way it is here. If you want to change the color, you see here, you can change the color, the text color, you can change it here. And for now, I'm not changing anything since the color is okay, but you can change the color. You can click here to change the color and put any color that you want. So when you click here, you see this is the color that we have here. So let me copy it before we change it to something. So now we can copy, I copy it. So we can change any color that we want. You can navigate through here. You see, I just change the color of the button. You see, I change the color. Then I can just click anywhere to come out. You see the color change to this. And when you hover, it's white. So you can come and change the hover color if you want. But please, I told you, if you want to change the hover color under, you see this hover here. Click on it, you change the hover color. This is hover color, the white one. So you can change it to anything that you want. So I don't want to change the color. I'll leave it the way it is. So I'll paste back the color uh, hex codes that we have already. So I'll put it back. So this is it. Okay, so there's under advanced, there is nothing we can touch here. Please don't touch anything. But now, yeah, there is a this margin. Instead of it to be at here, they put 50 from the top. So if I delete this 50, you see it will be like this. But I will leave that margin because it makes it looks unique. Okay, sorry, it's not 550. You see, this is a margin. So margin is the size between the border and the content within it. I already explained that. We have the padding. I don't want to change the padding. I will leave it like that. So all this is all what we are going to talk about. So that's for this. So now, after this, let's come down, let's scroll down and change this text. How can we help you? Let's put something here. So I can just say maybe we are just a click away. Book a meeting with us today. I just put something. Yeah, someone say connect with us. Yeah, we can edit it to connect with us. So Abdul Karim, yeah, I really love your contribution. I appreciate you. So I will put what you put. So I will change it to connect with us. Let me make it capital. Connect with us. So thank you for that. I think connect with us is okay. So I'll come to this one also here. So let me copy it. I'm copying it. So I'll come back to this bottom also. So instead of book a meeting, I'll change it to connect with us. Okay, so yeah, thank you, Nura. I will use what you have sent also. So I'll add it before here. Then I will leave this. We are just a click away. Book a meeting with us today. So I think it's fine. Thank you, Nura Shehu, for your contribution also. And please take note, whatever you are doing, whatever, whenever you make editing, click on this publish. Please click on this publish is for you to update whatever you have done. So click on that publish so that you update. You are just saving what you are doing. So now, if any one of you that you are using any of you use any of your mobile phone, you refresh the website, you are going to see exactly this these changes that we have made are taking effect on the website. So don't worry, let's continue. So now we come to this design. So we all have this design, market, e-commerce, and everything. This is all what we have. So please give us something about design, please. Give us something about design. What are we going to write under this design? So maybe you can search anything that has to do with maybe graphics design and web design. Let's talk about maybe web design. So yeah. So when you click on this, you see, we have different things. The name is design. We can change the name instead of design. We can put something else. Maybe we can put a webinar or maybe something like that. So we can put that under development. We can put maybe website development. You see, we can all change it to something else. So under this design, we can change it to, okay, so someone just put our design philosophy. So yeah, let's just save this. So you can edit the name of design here under title and under description. You can just put something. So you see our design philosophy combines creativity. Thank you so much. Who is this? Okay, Nura Show. Okay, so thank you for that. So now let's move to this to development. So development, let's look at the maybe website development and something. Give us a text, something that we can use so that we put here. So this our design philosophy is very good and catchy thing that when users go to the website, they can be able to read and be wow with that. Our team builds powerful and scalable digital solutions website. Thank you, Abdul Karib. So let's just put it here. Okay, so now this world, in this world era, you don't need to do anything. All you need is to just go to ChatGPT and create all this by yourself. Then you have to sit down and write all this by yourself. It's very difficult, but now it's very easy to build a website. All this content you can get it. So let's come to market. Let's come to market. Don't worry, I don't need this structure. I'm removing it. Let's come to market. Marketing. Please give us on marketing. Or maybe let's call this webinar. So I'm changing it instead of marketing. Let's call it webinar. So give us something related to webinar. Give us something related to webinar or internship. Please let's call it. Okay, I will put webinar is okay. I will put internship after webinar. So give us for the webinar. Okay, someone put we analyze. Okay, let me put analysis. It's okay. Let me put analysis. So give us for the internship. Just do it for the internship, please. So I will use this one, but it's much. So I will remove this our goal. So I just please make sure you use the text to be very straightforward and pitching test. Okay, so here I will put analysis or I will say data analytics. So let me just put it like this. So even this one, I'll come and edit them. Maybe I'll put web development. Here, I will make it web design. So I believe you are all seeing what we are doing. Please, you are all with me, right? So here I'll put web design. So for the icon, if you want to edit this icon, you can change the icon under this icon. Click on icon and you can change the icon. So here, if I want to change this icon, it even looks like analysis. I don't need to change it, but let me show you how to change the icon. All these icons, you can change them. So under this, you can have your SVG type of image. You can upload your SVG or you can go to icon library. There is icon library here. Under this icon library, just write analysis, not this. So analysis will not work. Trend is it will not work. I think they call it financial. Let me look for finance. No, not this. Um, grab. So I'm just looking for something similar to that. Just search for it if you can. Not that. Let me think the name that I used to get that chat. Or let me just scroll. If I scroll, it will take time. But is it not trend, not charts? There is name of this icon that looks like analysis, which we can use to. Okay, here it is. You see, there is chart. So it's chart. So I forgot to put it. So it's chart. You see, I can select it here. Chart. Just click on it. So now the icon will change to this chart that we imported. It will change to it. So you see, now we have this chart under data analytics. Please, are you all understanding this? This is how you keep editing and changing all what you want. So now I change the icon. So for this, instead of social media, I will change it to internship. Internship. Sorry, I didn't take what you have wrote on internship. Please, can someone drop it again? Because there are lots of chats. Well, let me go up and see. Okay, we provide hands-on internships. Okay. So thank you, Abdul Karim. I'll take this. I'll provide this hands-on internship. Okay. So the next one, this e-commerce, I don't need this e-commerce. What do you think we can put here? What do you think we can put here apart from this? Can we put webinar? So give us for the webinar. I don't want this e-commerce. So for the webinar, give us for the webinar. Internship is internship. So let's give us the webinar now. For the webinar, and we are changing the icon. So let me change the icon. So the icon, okay, for the internship also, I supposed to use let's change the icon of this internship and use students. So let's go and use student image, not student, not child, school. Yeah, maybe I can put school, but there's supposed to be a student, but let's just use school there. So for the internship, but for here under webinar, e-learning to enter, to be, no, this to be interactive didn't catch. Yes, we organize and host engaging. Okay, this one I will use this. Please just understand the way I'm even choosing what to put. You are putting a message, you are sending something catchy, something that when people read about the company, people will be very wow on this. And believe me, this website that we are building, even now our website is under, we are just renewing the website. If this one is very catchy and okay, we'll do that. I'll just transfer whatever we built here together into that our website. So please, you are contributing a great thing for us, and we will definitely acknowledge it. So for this, I can change the icon also. So what icon are we going to use for this instead of for webinar? What icon? I don't think that is okay. Let me put meeting and no, not meet up. Let's say company. Let's say training. Let's say class, book. I'm just trying to find something. Audience. So let's use this one. I'm just trying to find something, or maybe meeting or computer. Okay, thank you. Let's use computer. There's no computer. Laptop. Okay, so yeah. Okay, yeah. So under laptop, let's just use this as webinar. So let's use this as webinar. But we're supposed to put this under web development. So, but don't worry, I'm just trying to all show you how to do this so that you all know how to uh edit all this. Then under help and support. So please give us something under help and support. Maybe it should just be our support team is 100, 247. Please, it's too much. Just put something very concise. Yes, please look at the way Abdul Karim is showing it. Nura show you are trying. Look at the way he's showing. We provide, we do this, we analyze. Our team is this. That's how you keep. You create that. Please learn from this. Those of you that are not contributing, please learn from this. They are always. This is something. This is how you learn. Please, this is how you learn. Okay, so now we move to portfolio. So under portfolio, give us something to just put under this header, or maybe we don't even need anything, or we can remove it, or if you like, give us something, maybe some of our maybe trainings or some of the things we have done. So we want to put some images here. So let me just put images before you finish. The image is supposed to be 300 by 300. So let me just go to our folder and upload some images. So before that, you can help us with the text we need to put under that portfolio. So let me just check some images. All these are our images. So I will take this one. And that way I told you now you need to have a graphics designer because sometimes when all the images you have, you need to resize the images. These images that I have are not are not resized, but I don't know if it didn't fit, I'll just go and get another one to do that because we are not going to touch anything related to editing or something like that. So if the image looks perfect and it looks the same the way this image is, I will leave it. But yeah, don't worry, I will just use the same size of each image across all this so that we'll just save ourselves. So I'll just click here and put another image that has the same, size with this. So let me upload more files so that we can just continue selecting from them. Okay, so let me just come here, select this. I will select different images. Let's select this. All these are our images. Let's select this. Okay. So I'm just selecting images that we will use. So let's select this. Let's select this. Okay. Let's just continue. I just selected many so that we'll just be picking one after the other. Let's finish. Wait for them to finish. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much, Nura Shehu. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So Nura, you have learned it. Of course, this is how you keep learning it. So Abdul Karim, I'm taking what Nura sent, not yours. So thank you. You are even making it. We're supposed to stop this class, but you are making it interactive, and I love that the two of you are helping the matter. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, let's wait for the images to finish loading. I'm sorry, they are very high quality images. That's why. And whenever you are building the website, make sure you get a high quality images, please, because that what will make your website looks awesome. Don't go and use blurry images and all images that you take using uh, techno or I'm sorry, not let me not talk about tech. Some that have techno will just come on me. So don't go and use all these Bibo images and other things because yeah, I think people are using Bibo as to catch crew. So use a very good looking images. So if you want to build a website, you can even take your photographer. So that's why sometimes you need a photographer also. You need to take the photographer to the office and snap the snaps so that you will get high quality images for the website. Please, please. Look at what this was telling me on this chat. And even though I will read the chat and I will delete, if it is WhatsApp, I will remove you and block your number because this question is not even in tandem with what we are doing. But let me just respond to your question. Since you said it, I'll respond to your question. What you said here, you are saying that my question is AI going to replace software developer? May you going to create payment gateway for the client? I think this is not what you have put before because I saw you talking about me upload. Okay, we also need you to publish this website as our app store or and on Google Play. We wish to. So this is not time for all this. I asked for contribution. You didn't contribute anything. And you have the audacity to send me all this list of your demands. Like, please, I'm sorry. And I even know this person. I think it's very someone that I know. Please don't drop anything like this for us. Please. Please don't even drop anything. It's not it. I'm not going to talk anything about what you have asked. Please don't drop anything like this for us. So let's wait for the images to finish. Let's wait for the images to finish. Here's what is going on with our people. I'm not talking about you. Please don't feel attacked. I'm not talking about you. I'm just telling you some of the things that you need to learn. You see, in Nigeria, we are over exaggerating a lot of things that are going in developed countries. You see this website that I'm teaching you. I swear to God, there are lots of people, not even people, a lot. Go and view. When you learn all this, you are finished with this class. Go and start viewing a lot of state government website and see the kind of trash they are calling website. And go and had they spend 10 million, 15 million, 20 million to build that website. Go and see what they are showing people. And they are the type of website that 2,000 people cannot work on the website at the same time. So the website is working tonight, tomorrow is not working. In the evening it's not working, in the morning it's not working. That's how the website is just keep fluctuating. And at the end of the day, after a year, you will see them trying to rebuild another website. There are many people that have no idea how to even build this website. There are many people. We are over exaggerating things. We always want to feel like we are this. We want to learn this. We want to learn AI. We want to learn this. You that don't even know you don't have the basics, and you want to put yourself where people that have everything are there doing because they are finished with what you have. You haven't even started what they have finished, but you want to meet them there and continue doing what they are doing. Please, there are many things I know in Nigeria. I saw a lot of what is going on sometimes. It baffles me and it makes me wonder. There are many people that, when we say we are teaching this CMS, they feel like they are feel big enough. What are they going to do with CMS? They are this, they are coding. And believe me, they've never built a website in their life. They've never did anything. I knew some of them, I will tell you. Even if you have PhD in I know many of them. So, but you see, it's just our people thinking that now all this debate in Nigeria, will AI take over? Will AI this? AI is going to take job of people. Microsoft Word is dead. PowerPoint is dead. Excel is dead. You stop using this, stop using that. All these are rubbish in Nigeria. Please stop doing that. Don't engage yourself in it. Please. Don't engage yourself in all this. Okay, thank God we are done. So let's put another image. Okay, so let's add another image. So let's click on this and add another one. But if I'm going to build this website, let me tell you, I'm going to use exactly the size of these images. I will change the size. I will use it, to make it perfect the way all these ones are. Because the recommended size is supposed to be about, they use medium size of 300 by 300. So I will make sure I use an image that is 300 by 300 size. But don't worry, since we have images with the same height, you can use them you too. Since all these images that I'm using, they have the same size. The one problem that you might have is when the images have different size. So one will be tall, the other one will be short, this one will be tall, like all these crypto candles that you are seeing. So now those that are in crypto will laugh. They say that I talk about their profession. Okay, why is that our portfolio that you just sent? Why is that our portfolio? Why is what? Yeah. Okay, this is what Nura dropped. So let me put it here. So I'll just change this hour to be capital. Please just take note of all this issue of punctuation because there is website I built for someone who is he likes ink. I don't know what is going on with him and the English. So you will come and call me. Please, the website is nice, but you didn't put comma here. You didn't put full stop. You see, it's very frustrating, like finally a project. So it's just, you have to do it. So make sure you try your best and do that. So this explore more, so you can put Under this explore mode, go ahead and put whatever you want to put here. So under explore mode, so you can put maybe our services, maybe so our services. So you can put the link. So don't worry, I'm not going to talk about the link for now. Maybe tomorrow we'll come back and put the link. So it's when we are finished with the website, we can come back and put the link. Or maybe let me come back, let me go to the website. Sorry, let me visit the website. I'll just take all the link and put them so that you will see what it will do. Okay, so I'll go to the services website. I'm sorry. This thing is taking longer than expected. Oh boy. 1 hour, 30 minutes, or 1 hour, 26 minutes. Please, shall we stop, please? Yeah, I believe some of you are even tired. I know you are tired of listening. Maybe we can stop somewhere and continue tomorrow. Yeah, so we can finish it tomorrow and start the NGO website, or maybe we finish everything, we finalize everything tomorrow. I know you are tired of listening. No, and if you are tired, don't even say you are not. You are all tired of it listening, so uh, if you are not tired, me, I'm tired, seriously. Okay, so what we are going to do now is, yeah, I can see you are tired. Even if you didn't say it, you are tired. So we'll talk about adding the links. So let me go back to the website. I just want to check the links of the our services. So click on our services. You will see the URL link. So let's talk the URL link. So let's take the URL link. You see is slash services. So whenever you put this, so copy it and paste it under this link. Then you paste it. So whenever we click on this our services from the website, it will take us to the what? It will take us to the website, this website. So now we are connecting the website on on the buttons or like this. So this our customer. We can stop here. Yeah, you see Fatima is even listening. So don't worry, don't cry. We are stopping here. Tomorrow we will add the images of the team members and then we continue. And don't worry, I didn't talk about the footer and the header. That one tomorrow we'll finish it. But we just start editing and everything. So now what I'm going to do is to click on publish. So you can all be checking the website. You can even say that you build this website because I build it together with you. So this is exactly where we are going to draw the curtain, please, for tonight. So let me go back to our slide is fine. So let's go back to it. Where is our slide? So if you have any question, go ahead and ask your question. If you have any, I will respond to you. Please, 1 hour, 30 minutes is okay. We stop here. Seriously, let's stop. And at least we have done something, even no matter how little we have done something, at least. So continue. Tomorrow we continue. Tomorrow is our day 5. And believe me, we'll finish this together. So even if you take us to 2 a.m. the last day, we'll definitely cover, inshallah, all what we have planned. Together, we'll do that. And please keep practicing. Please practice all what you have learned so that you can be able to, uh, you know, reap the benefits of uh, all this that you have learned so far. Any question? No question. You're all saying good night, good night. Good night. It's like you are just asking me to go, so you just want to sleep. Okay, me too. I want to go. I'm tired. Oh. Thank you so much for being here with us, and I wish you all the best. See you tomorrow, and then we continue from where we stop. Have a wonderful dream, and bye bye.